Hello everyone, my name is Phil. Today is about volcano. Volcano is a mountain that has opening. There is magma on the volcano. It is a hot molten rock. Magma erupts from the Earth's surface. It is called lava. Lava liquid rock that flows out of a volcano. Volcano releases the pressure inside of the earth. Thank you.